How to claim Pepu on mobile website with best wallets. Before we begin, let's quickly cover gas fees. Gas fees are the costs required for the blockchain to process and approve a transaction. Given the size of the claim, we expect there may be a significant spike in gas fees. So make sure you have ETH in your wallet to cover the gas costs. You can quickly buy ETH in your wallet or deposit it from an external wallet or exchange. Simply go to your wallet's main screen and tap on Buy or Receive. Once you're ready, let's go through the claiming process step by step. On the Pepu Unchained website, tap on Connect Wallet. A pop-up will appear asking you to select your wallet. Choose Best Wallet and tap Open to approve the connection in your Best Wallet app. In Best Wallet, you should see a pop-up asking you to connect your wallet. Ensure you're connecting the right one. Once connected, return to the Pepu Unchained website. Your wallet should now be connected, and you should see your purchased Pepu tokens. Select your preferred option, Claim and Stake, or just Claim. Selecting Claim and Stake will allow you to maximize your Pepu tokens. If you choose Claim, a pop-up will appear in your Best Wallet app to confirm the transaction. Tap Confirm, and your claim transaction will be processed, sending your Pepu tokens to your wallet. After successfully claiming your tokens and refreshing your wallet, they should appear automatically. If you don't see your tokens, don't worry. You may need to manually import the contract address. Go to the Token Import section in Best Wallet, paste the Pepu contract address, and your token should appear. And that was all. Subscribe, it's free!